AngelicaMonyae, and I'm back again with a makeup tutorial. I know it's been a while, but I'm back, and today we're gonna do a simple but a glow. You feel what I'm saying? So I use black soap to wash my face, but I'm going in with my Dickinson with Hazel, and I do this. I try to do it every day. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, but I try to do it every day. My face routine. So I'm going in with the Dickinson. And then it's just basically, this is with Hazel, so it's nothing. I'm going to use my Milk Magnesium to prime my face. I got this makeup hack from a nail tech. She told me about this, so I'm going to shake it up. We're going to prime my face with it, and then right up in here in my T areas, because it's basically where I'm really oily at, so I'm gonna do it up in here. I don't use a lot because I don't want my makeup to introduce my foundation brush that I recently came out with. It's gold. It's soft. The bristles are soft, and it's angled.
Than your normal highlight color because it kind of makes it pop a little bit more. So I'm using this to conceal. To prime, I'm sorry. I'm using this to prime. And I'm going in with my same concealer brush, and I'm making sure I'm patting it everywhere. I'm basically patting it in my main areas that I want it to be in. So I concealed my brows. Next I'm going in with the same brush I used to pat on my concealer. So I'm gonna go in and just then I'm gonna go in my beauty blender and blend it out. So everything will look even. You want to make sure everything is blended out correctly and good. Make sure you get in them creases that you have, because I have creases. I have hooded lids, that's my problem. And then I'm going to set my lids with a little with a little setting powder. I can't get it out, but I'm going to set it with a little setting powder. Not going to use a light, because I am going to put a color on, so can't use a light. So I'm just going to use this because I got creases. Like these are my creases. Okay, I'll get my eyes. Then what you gotta dust them off. dust them off, dust them off. Y'all see how fine that looks? You see how defined that looks? And I haven't even did my eyebrows yet. So, we're gonna take a break. I'll be right back to finish my eyeshadow.
To the face. To the face.
I just slightly clean the glitter out, so I'm using my concealer brush. And I just did that to clean my eyes up. So I'm gonna use the brushing brush to brush it out, fluff it out. I do my real highlight pencil. Not even me, it's just, I don't know, I did it like this time, because I want to see the difference, because people highlight their face before putting on their foundation, so I'm just trying new stuff. So let's see how it comes out. My foundation brush from my cosmetics line, and I'm going to use the color 360 Mocha from Fit Me Beauty. From Maybelline. Yeah, I'm tripping. I said Fit Me. But it's the Maybelline Fit Me, and my foundation brush. So, I just got to dab a little bit on my face. Cover it. Right there. Then I'm going to go in on my brush. It's slightly damp, but it's just not damp. But y'all get the picture. And you see how it's easy to get up in there, like in them small areas. And it blends out very well. You see how the angle part come in very handy when you buy your eyebrows, so.
You can blend it upwards like I'm doing towards my forehead. And I'm using this angle part really because I did not highlight the tight part of my brow. So, the angle part come in handy, you guys. You can get all in the small areas and everything. And this foundation brush is available to be on hand if anybody want one. And I will have a website. My website link dropped down below. Yes, okay, so I'm gonna leave it like this, you guys. I'm not gonna highlight it anymore because it's gonna be
This is